camping trip, heading up to the mountains. We're on our way. Well, now we're not. Now we're stopping. Oh, green light. Now we're on our way again. There we go. Heading up there. Alright. We'll see you there. Well, we made it. We're all set up. Got everything set up. Be here for 4 days. Got the truck over there. There's a nice, beautiful view. It's a little bit rainy today. Tomorrow will be nice and cloudy, but no rain. I'll take clouds. Got the tent over here so we can kick back in here. Made some breakfast earlier. Black clouds. Made some all-in-one pot breakfast earlier. Got some sausage, eggs, cheese, potatoes. That's all that's left. That'll be a snack for the girls later. Here's my new smokeless fire pit. We're going to test that out tonight. We got it underneath here. Cleaning up. See the mountains behind us. We got a lot of snow up there last night. And now we got a lot of rain this morning. But good times. Scruffy. But that's what we're doing. Hopefully tomorrow the weather's a little bit better. I'll be driving my RC. Let me show you which one I brought. Find the truck keys. Got the Bubba, he's under there in his house. Walking over to the truck. It's unlocked for you. Got my stickers all on here. Look at that. Outdoors Unsupervised. You know who that is. If you don't, go subscribe. You're missing out. Here's some firewood. Unload that later on. Here's what I'll be driving. The Red Cat Valkyrie. I drove it a little yesterday. Didn't get no footage. I'll get some. Got the fishing pole right here. This is how I light my campfires. And my torch. That's all I'm up to today. I'll be out until later on. Check out this double rainbow. Pretty cool. Trying to zoom in on it. Got some more rain coming in. All right.